Create your own home power supply, cutting down 90% on your electric bill in the next 30 days. The system was designed that anyone can build it, even without having experience. You will be shocked. You can make it with easily found materials. This system includes downloadable list you can use on your phone gadgets. You are given clear instruction on how to connect your system to any application. You will never have to pay electricity bills anymore. The system is maintenance-free. Other systems cost thousands of dollars to install and maintain. But not this system. This is unique, highly approved. It can produce much needed energy, so that there is no fire, dangerous gases. You will find 90% of those materials in your garage. You can now open the array and enjoy clean off-grid energy. Thousands of family use this and trust this system. So try this today to have life with pleasure. Check the link in the description below for more information.